Hi everyone, it is time for my November Project Pan update. Had to think about it for a second there. Project Pan, for those of you who don't know, is a little challenge that makeup lovers like to do where we either use up a product entirely, or for creams and powders that are pressed down tightly into a metal pan, we use it up until we can see the pan underneath. And it is a, I don't know, mark of success or something. I don't know. All right. I'm a little late, just a little. It's November 4th, 2024 in America. So hopefully someone will still see this video after tomorrow, Election Day. Today I'm actually wearing one of my Project Pan blushes. I will introduce that in a moment. I also have on a Nicka K lipstick that I don't normally wear, but it's like an orangey brown. It's just kind of going with the vibe. I use the Beauty Bay Earthy palette on my eyes. And I also just got a new favorite lip gloss in from Milani. It's the Honey Fig flavor of their Fruit Fetish ones. These are what I'm obsessed with currently. So starting with eyeshadow, I'm doing an LA Colors Day to Night palette called After Dark. Yeah. I always mix up the Day to Night and After Dark. So gonna go ahead and give you a spoiler alert. There was not much progress here. I did not hit a new pan. I like to put up the progress to compare to last month's just in case there's something you can see. But I'm so close to the end here, and it felt like in my October video I had a lot of time to use up 2 blue colors. I can't remember if I did use one as nail polish. I just feel like I'm relying on that method a little too much with this palette. I did use it. I definitely did use it, but it did not hit pan. So we'll just see the comparison. Sometimes that shows more progress than I think when I edit these. The next product is an e.l.f. Blush Highlight Duo. The color is called Guava. This is the one I have on today. It's a peachy blush with a goldy highlight. I've hit pan in it prior, but I really enjoy seeing the side-by-side comparison, so here it is this month. I can't see my own thing. No surprise, you know, there's pan, but I'm pretty sure that especially that blush is a lot bigger this month. This is gonna be a short update, guys. The third product is a cream blush called It's October 3rd, and I can't wait till I don't have to edit this thing into every video. But it's a pinky blush. I needed a pinky blush and a peachy blush. At least that's what I thought I needed at the beginning of the year. This already had a small pan in it when I started, but it's expanded, and then I smushed the cream down, and then I expanded it, and then I smushed it down again, and I can't remember, I might have done it a third time. But this is it today. Big old pan in there, as you can see. I don't know that I can squish it down any farther, but I definitely did use this one a lot as well. So this is going to get thrown out regardless of how big the pan gets, but I'm liking it, so I'm just going to use it up as much as I can till the end of the year. So I've definitely used all 3 products. I'm pretty sure that these 2 pans are bigger, but I have to look back at the footage from last month and just to be sure. I'm gonna have to start putting my finales together soon. There's really only 2 more updates. One of them would be the finale, so 1 more update really, and then the final end result. Now it feels closer. Whew, that put it in perspective. Anyway, wish me luck with these blues. If you have a way to use blue, even though I've like covered the entire lid with one of these blues, like it didn't hit pan yet. So that might be an indicator of how much I have left, meaning I gotta get like going on this thing. So wish me luck in this. I think I'm comfortable enough now that I'm pretty sure I'm gonna throw Guava away at the end of the year. I mean, it's almost completely to the edges anyway. And I have a lot more blush that I'd like to use. I just kind of keep these like at my sink where I do my makeup so that I can easy grab them. But there's a lot more makeup in my collection, in case you've been paying attention. So I need to expand and use other products too. But this is still fun. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, thanks for tuning into this update. We'll see you next month with this. Have a safe November. Take your meds, hydrate, breathe, and we'll see you later. Bye. Update. I don't know if I like that. Let's do another one. Is there something in my teeth? Like, I don't care if you can't see it, but the next product is an e.l.f. blush highlight. Spoilers. And then the third product, I always do that. I always like hold it up, and then it's like there's no drama in it. Guava one away at the end of the month. This already had